going on, everybody? I have traveled over here. My truck is actually out of commission. I went to get it inspected. I kind of knew it was a problem, but I didn't think it was actually bad enough to fail inspection. I thought I'd be able to get it inspected and then fix it, but it needs a new wheel bearing. So it is out of commission. Oh, you bastard. So I got a tip from a guy at work who's also an avid fisherman to come down here. So this is a good little I don't know. Oh yeah, look at that right there already. Smallies. So we're just gonna get right to it. I'm not gonna waste any time. I feel like I have to go on this side of the pylons. Oh yeah, look at that one right there. I don't think that's a bass though. Hey, he wants it. Look at this pike. Little baby pike. See him? Hopefully you can see that in the water. That's a little one. That's not worth catching. Sitting right there. There we go. Swallowed it softly. Good size, whatever it is. Or it could just be a smallie fighting like a... Yeah, look at this thing. Tiny little smallie. Pulling like crazy. Come here, buddy. God. Strong. Ready? Well, it's not too bad. Ow! Oh my God! Whew. So we'll show you in 2 seconds why he ate this crawfish. I don't know if you just saw that. So, first of all, beautiful stripes. Beautiful stripes. Red eyes, so I don't know if they've spawned yet or he's about to. He might be guarding a bed, so I'm gonna get him right back in the water. Another 1.5-pounder, not too bad. Here you go, buddy. Well, I'm a little bummed. I didn't catch that one on video. Of course, the biggest one I've caught this year, and I don't have it on video. I'm gonna go back over here where I know there's a fish. There's gotta be a fish. This over here looks too dang good to not have a fish. You know, it's like secluded almost. Little ambush spot. I told you that was too dang good. Whee! Oh, he's got me. Come on. Whew. Do I still have my fish? Yeah. I told you that looked too dang good. I don't think I'll need the net for this guy.
I wasn't sure how you were at.
No. I'm just gonna go right at him and be like, burp. Another, not too shabby. I mean, like, none of these are breaking records, but man, that's a good fish. Man, they're all like chunky. I mean, like, that's not super chunky, but I mean, that's, he just urinated all over me. That's not a bad fish. Let's see. I don't know what's the best light. Like that. Not a bad guy. Yeah. Not too bad. I got hung up in that tree when he jumped. I was like, whew, I thought I was gonna lose him. Might be on a bite. Yep. I don't know what that one is. That's a bass too. Yeah, you got the net pulls. This one's not huge, but it's big enough. Whew. Another decent one. Not too bad.
Ted. There you go.
See if I can't shine some light on him. Yeah. Not a bad guy. I'll catch those all day. Right? Hello. All right, back in you go. Thanks for a fight, dude. Definitely not wearing these jeans to work tomorrow. Ooh. Another one. Ooh, that's a net worthy one, I think. That's a largemouth. Hell yeah. That's a net worthy.
Ooh.
Hell yeah. What a largemouth. Oh, I haven't caught a good one of these in a long time. I rarely. Oh, yeah, baby. There you go. Look at this. Look at this guy right there. Wow. Not bad. All right, well, not bad at all. That's my first largie in about 5 years, probably. I'm gonna get this guy back in the water. That way, dude. Whew. What's up, guys? I'm just gonna do a quick rundown. I did this on the bank, on the river, and it just didn't sound good. There was a lot of background noise, muffled a lot of it. It just didn't come out good. I don't normally do it like this at home, but it's 10:24 p.m. I just finished editing this little quick video, and I just want to throw this in there just so you guys are know what I was using, because I've never really done a rig rundown, what I've got, my rods, reels, my kayak, anything like that. So I want to start putting that information in my videos so you guys know what I use. So the baits I used today were Cabin Creek baits, Express Craw, Tennessee Orange. I mean, these things were fantastic. They did tend to wear out a little bit after, but I mean, that was after 5 fish. I think I got 5 good, well, decent fish. And the tail was starting to wear out where that little keeper was. So, take that as you will. 5 fish, I think that's worth it. I probably could have kept getting more. It's just every time, I had a bite or missed a bite, the keeper would pop out of the tail. Which again, you just put it back, cast it, and if you didn't have any bites or anything like that, it stayed. So I probably could have gotten another couple fish out of it before it was really kind of not good anymore. But yeah, Cabin Creek Baits out of Nicholasville, Kentucky. CabinCreekBaits.com. If you guys, if you guys are interested, I'll put the link in the description below. Give them a check. Give them a look. I'm gonna buy more of these, I think. Although I did see in the very fine print over here, it says 4 lead products only. Which says, I don't get that. You can only use them on lead jigs? Because I can't use lead jigs. Hopefully there's not any lead in them, because Cabin Creek Baits, I can't use these if it has lead in them. Because Vermont, New Hampshire, New York, I think a lot of the states out here in New England don't allow us to fish with lead. So hopefully it doesn't have lead in them. I don't know why it would. Maybe the metallic flake stuff. Anyways, keep that in mind if you live in a state that says you can't have lead. But yeah, and I was using my 7-foot finesse Abu Garcia Ike rod, spinning rod. Paired that up with a 6.2 to 1 Revo X spinning reel. Like Abu Garcia, nothing but the best. I mean, they're absolute workhorses. I love those rods. Love all my reels. Love everything that Abu Garcia puts out. They're a little stiff, but I like it because it allows me not to have these humongous, violent, like, hook sets. I'm a bigger guy, so it allows me just to kind of lift, and I never, if the fish eats it, I don't miss. So, like I said, I just wanted to kind of focus on putting more of my gear in the videos as I use it, so you guys are aware of what I've been using. And yeah, that's it for today. So it's kind of a short video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, hit the like and subscribe button. Let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.